Safely pack toiletries. To prevent shampoo bottles, perfumes, and lotions from leaking. Ask frequent travelers about leaking shampoo, conditioners, lotions, perfumes bottles, or other toiletries during flights. They will tell us the times they were caught napping with soaked clothes and how they had to run to the nearest store in an alien land to get replacements. Many of us have the habit of picking up personal effects we have been using at home when we go on tour. How do you prevent them from leaking during air travel? But first, why do the bottles leak? Usually, cabin pressure on aircraft causes tightly closed pop-top bottles to just pop open. We can get over this problem easily. Step 1: before packing, just press out some air out of the shampoo and lotion bottles before you screw the cap on tightly, leaving a dent on the side. Step 2: use a plastic wrap or cling film to seal the mouth of the bottle and put it away in a Ziploc bag. Step 3: spread a small clean white sheet in the suitcase over the toiletries before packing in clothes. This will keep your clothes away from the toiletries. Step 4: make sure not to pack lip liners along with the rest of your makeup in a travel pouch. You can cap your lip liners and Kohl pencils while traveling and use a rubber band to hold all the pencils together. Another alternative is to hunt for a travel pouch that will allow you to segregate pencils from powders, creams, and liquids. Step 5: pack makeup brushes separately from the rest of the makeup kit. This might not always be possible for a traveler in a hurry. Try coating the brushes with a powder base. It will ward off any contact between the brush and the powder. Step 6: always carry Ziploc bags when you fly. They might come in handy.